Hi, I'm Kristen Oviedo, and this is what makes iron rust the fastest. So rusting is pretty much just a very slow chemical reaction between iron, oxygen, and water. And so if we kind of look a little bit closer at what's happening, we can ultimately decide what makes that reaction go faster or slower. So I wrote out a nice little word equation here, but now I'll put it into an actual chemical equation. So you can see the parallels here. Got your oxygen and your iron and everything. Notice I put plus water in parentheses because water isn't actually part of this whole equation. It's simply a facilitator for the transfer of electrons between the iron and the oxygen. So there's obviously a lot more chemical equations that go into it other than just this, but they're a little bit beyond our scope right now. So if you want to change or specifically increase the rate of rusting, you basically are going to change one of these three components. Oxygen, the availability of oxygen isn't really going to change under normal conditions. So let's say you, for some reason, want something to rust faster, you're either going to increase the availability of iron or increase the electron carrying capabilities of the water. So for iron, if you have pure iron and it doesn't have any rust proofing, there's going to be a lot of it available to rust, and so it will rust. So a lot of times we use like stainless steel, for example, or some other compounds that have iron plus something else. So steel is iron and carbon, and they use that a lot because the carbon interferes with the ability of the iron to rust. So the other most common method that accelerates rusting is the presence of salt or other, just really anything in the water that will increase its ability to transfer those electrons. So a lot of places that have the roads salted a lot, or places that are located near the ocean, a lot of times because of the humidity and because of the salt, they will rust faster. I'm Kristen Oviedo, and that is what makes iron rust the fastest.